Welcome back to CJ2a Classic Car Channel, the channel that provides video resources for your Jeep builds, your everyday drivers, and your classic car builds. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the like button down below. Today we're working on getting the engine out of this Jeep. We've been working for a bit trying to get it all loose, but today, hopefully it's the day that we get it out. We've got an engine lift and it's all broken free as far as I know. And so join me on the adventure as we take out this engine. Alright, so I have my friend Jody help me out here. Just need another set of hands. First thing we're going to do is put this load leveler on, just on the four corners to attach it down, and that will kind of help us be able to get the right angle we need to get this thing out. Alright, so we're just going to drive them down. These nuts. Where I need to be.
Yep.
See it on this side. And then put that up. Just going to put a little tension on it. We're going to leave it right there and take the last engine mounts out. Okay, so we're going to put a little tension on it, see what it does. Alright, so Jody, if you'll pump the thing, okay, I'm going to guide this a little bit. Alright, no more. Actually, I'm going to put down a little bit. How do you do that? Sorry. That's what I was looking right now. So just kind of hold this steady. Alright, so we're just going to try to break this exhaust free a little bit. It's hot. Cool. Alright, let's see.
Oh, okay.
That came out. Who knows if I cracked something back there, but not for now. And I believe that is out. So let's crank it up a little bit and see what we got. Stop right there. I've got to take these out. Alright, there she is. She's out. Now we're going to put a pallet down and put it down on the pallet for the time. Alright, so we're going to lower this down onto that pallet. Slowly, hopefully, because I don't have the oil pan on it. Oil pickup will be the first thing we get. So we're going to try to put this on. Not get crushed in it. Alright, so we're just going to let it down easy. Yeah, let's roll it back a little bit. just a touch. On that. If that pallet fails, go final. And I guess we can back it up a little bit and get some space to work on that flywheel and clutch. Alright, so to take this spring plate out, there's 6 bolts. We're going to back all those out and hopefully this comes off. So let's see what we get. There it goes. Come right out. Alright, this is our flywheel. We're going to take this off. It looks like 6 bolts there. Hopefully they'll back off without needing to hold the other side, but we'll see. There's our 9/16. Alright, so I'm having to put a wrench between the flywheel and the engine here. Came right off. We have went to the big box store, borrowed this from them, and hopefully we can get it to pull it off. So here goes nothing. I'm not sure what else to do. There it goes. It popped off. I don't know why it was so tight on there, but it was. Goodness. Well, it's off, and that's the good thing. There we go. Yuck. Definitely some bugs living back there. We'll vacuum all that out, and then we'll put it up on the engine stand. We're going to try to put this thing on here. I'm going to go with the lower ones first. So we went with 4 inches on the bottom. We're going to go with 3 inches on the top. Just like that. So this gives us enough room. That on there like that. And now we're ready to marry it to the engine stand. Okay, so we've gotten the flywheel and the clutch off. It was quite a beast, but we've done it. And so next we're going to put the engine on the engine stand. I've already mounted this, kind of squared it up a little bit. We're going to lift this engine up, take the pallet out, and then put this in, hopefully button her up for the night. So let's see what we can do. Now we're going to put the pin in if we can. First thing we're going to do, put the handle on. Well, the hole's not lining up. It should be. I mounted this upside down, I bet. Alright, after all that work to get it level, I bet if I go like this, there's a hole right there. Just waiting for me. There we go, and now we're going to let the pressure off a little bit. See where we land. I mean, I'm not going to get crazy with it, but that rolled pretty good, considering. We're going to take this off, drop that down, and wrap her up. Alright, there you have it, folks. We pulled out the engine, we got the flywheel and clutch off, and so we got everything wrapped up, put away. It's been a long, tiring day, so I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all take care. It's time for supper.